glass pieces, box, anything you can devise or come up with, you're able to do now by using things like beer bottles and 3D printers. It's all made possible with investment plaster. What you see is someone melting the plastic out of the bottom of the investment plaster so you can add glass or do other things. Investment plaster is water soluble, so you'll have no trouble getting it off the glass. All you need to do after taking it out of the kiln is wash it off with water.